Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about the linear function part 19, parallel and perpendicular. Okay, so if you're looking closely to these questions, it is not same as part 18. Okay, before we do that, if you haven't done the part 18, please go back to do so. That is the extension of part 18. Okay, so looking at these questions, in part 18, we're talking about how to finding a slope, and then if the parallel, make them equal. If it's a perpendicular, make them equal to negative reciprocal, and then using another point to find y-intercept, and done. Okay, so if you don't know what I'm talking about, go back to check 18. Okay, so right now, let's see these questions here. We got an equation x minus 2 equal to 0. Finding the equation's parallel line passing through the point. Okay, so same thing. First things first, we need to find out this line slope. Okay, what is the slope? We don't have slope here. We don't have y here. Then if we don't have y, how do we find slope? So this is what? This is x equal to 2, right? X equal to 2 is what line? It's a vertical line, right? It's like that. This is 2, vertical line. That means our line is parallel to this line. That means our line is also a vertical line. Okay, if our line is a vertical line, what that means? We have so many vertical lines here, right? Our line also cross -8, -5. That means -8, -5, which is something here, this part, right? So our line cross through this part. The x value of our line is always -8. So we don't need to do anything. We have a vertical line which is crossing -8 as x value. So we have x equal to -8, and then we finished. That is our line equations. Okay, so this is what happened to deal with the parallel and the perpendicular to vertical and the horizontal line. Okay, see next one. Now we got the questions, no surprise. We got a y plus 4 equal to 0. That means it is what? It is a horizontal line, right? Because the y equal to -4. Okay, y equal to -4. However, our equations is perpendicular to that line. Okay, so if they got a horizontal line, we perpendicular to it. That means we got a vertical line again, right? So cross through -8, +9. So again, we're looking for the x value. So x equal to -8 again. Make sense? Now let's see if we graphing these things. We got a y equal to -4, which is something here. We got this line here, right? We got this line, and then our line is perpendicular to this. Well, it must be vertical, right? And then our line also cross the -8. They must be this way. This one will be x equal to -8. Okay, now this is how we're dealing with the vertical line on horizontal line with the parallel and the perpendicular. Okay, this is actually something special. Okay, we cannot use traditional way to do these questions, but luckily we only have these two situations. Either it's a parallel or either it's vertical or horizontal. There's nothing else. Okay, so once you remember vertical line, there is no slope. Horizontal line, slope equal to 0, and that's it. All right, so I hope you understand. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will answer your question in my next videos. Thank you for watching.